Welcome for this video tutorial, and today we shall be talking on introduction to organic chemistry. By the end of this video, you should be able to know what is one, organic chemistry, two, what are organic compounds, and three, why do we have so many organic compounds in the world today. So those are the main points or the main question that we shall be answering on this video tutorial. Now, on my table here today, we have an example of an organic compound. This one we call it a pentane. You see it has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms, and all the carbon atoms are joined together by a single bond. So this element is called a pentane. Now, it is an organic compound. And the reason why it is called an organic compound is, as you can see, we have a chain of carbon atoms here joined together by a single bond. Now, and then we have hydrogen atoms joining to carbons now to form this molecule. So, this compound, the carbon chain is forming a backbone, where other atoms of other elements will join. Now, such a compound is called an organic compound. We have so many, depending on the number of carbon atoms and the types of the atoms of other elements that are joining to the carbon atoms. Now, the reason that we have, now organic chemistry now is the study of these organic molecules. The reason why we have so many organic molecules is that carbon has got a very unique characteristic. As you can see, carbon has a potential to form four bonds. Now, let us look at the structure of carbon. You see, these are the outermost energy level for carbon, having 4 electrons. So, carbon can be able to form 4 bonds with itself and also with other elements. Now, for example, a single bond is formed between sharing of 2 electrons, each donated by 1 carbon and the other by 1 carbon. So, a single bond like this is formed by 2 electrons, like what we are seeing here. Now, carbon can also be able to form what we call double bonds, like this. Now, this is a double bond here, and if we can replace that double bond here, you see now we have a totally new element, like this. That is a new element, and that one can be demonstrated by the fact that carbon is able now, each carbon here is giving out 2 electrons that are shared to form a double bond here. Now, this is another molecule that has got a totally different molecule from the previous one. Carbon can also be able to form a triple bond with itself, as you can see here. And this one can be denoted by something like this, 1, 2, 3. And now, if we replace that one, you find that you have an element like that one there. That is also a totally new element, and so on and so forth. If we remove now that carbon there, and then we have a carbon atom with 1, 2, 3, 4. We have an organic molecule with 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms. So as you can see, with this we are able to form so many molecules by varying the number of carbon atoms and also the molecule. For example, if you substitute this hydrogen here with a chlorine atom like this, you have another molecule, and so on and so forth. Now, after that, we want to describe what you are seeing here is called a structural formula for this molecule here. Now, this is a structural formula. We can also have something we call a condensed formula for this molecule, which, if we take this carbon with 3 hydrogen here, we are going to have a CH3 group like that. Then we have this group here, which can be substituted by something like this. Then we have a CH2 group, which will be something like that. And then we have, We're supposed to have a hydrogen atom there. And then we have another CH3. Now this is called a condensed formula. This is one carbon with 3 oxygen, that is with 3 hydrogen atoms, that is one. This group here is this. This is a CH2 group, and this is a CH3 group, as you can see that one. Now, the same thing, the same molecule can be represented with this formula here. This is called a molecular formula. You see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hydrogen atoms. So we call this one now a molecular formula. This is a condensed formula, and this is a structural formula. These are the 3 types of formula that we'll be using in most of our work in organic chemistry. All the other elements can be able to be represented in this way. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope now you have understood what is organic chemistry. That is the study of these molecules here. That is organic molecules. And organic molecules are molecules that are made basically of carbon and other atoms attached now to carbon backbone or a carbon chain. You have also seen what is a structural formula, a condensed formula, and a molecular formula. Those are the main formulas that we shall be dealing with as we continue on studying organic molecules. Thank you very much for watching this video. We meet in the next video where we shall be discussing the naming of different types of organic molecules. Thank you, and remember to subscribe and comment.